Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, and we say ehihie ọma in Igbo, mgbede ọma, that is good evening, abalị ọma, good night, depending on your location. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So wherever you are, you want to learn Igbo with us on the go, especially our channel members, it is time to come to class so that we can learn together. If you are not a channel member, I doubt if you gain access to this live class because it's only meant for members of this channel. How do you become a member of the channel? Very simple. You will look beside my channel name, right where you are in your window. You will see a black button, round button with the inscription join written inside it. That is the button you should click so that you'll be guided on how to become a member of this channel. There are so many benefits that is accruable to you when you become a channel member. You are entitled to free live ebook class every Saturday. You are entitled to free ebook. This ebook comes in a combo of text, audio, pictures, and everything all in one. So you get this free ebook every month. You participate in live class every month, every week, Saturday, and then you have access to me for any direct assistance. So you have a whole lot going for you with our channel membership. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the join button now. Follow the procedure, make your payment, one payment per month, and become a channel member. We are looking forward to seeing you join our membership. There are a whole lot to benefit from being a channel member. So if you are seeing this video from my homepage, possibly it has been made open to non-members. Okay, you need to know that you can only be part of our live class when you are a member of the channel. You can be, watching the replay in our homepage, but for you to be live with us when we are live and participate and give yourself a trial and see how much you can understand Igbo language, you need to be a channel member. And this live class is actually meant to challenge you, to push you further, and then to measure your level of progress and see how much you can understand spoken Igbo, translate it, and make use of it. It's not enough to watch videos of Igbo lessons here and there in YouTube. You need to come live and test yourself, see how much you can understand what is said in Igbo language, translate it, and make use of it. Especially for those of you in diaspora with little or no body around you to speak with, coming to live class will be a better way for you. So do that today. And if you want to engage us for private live class one-on-one, we also offer that service to whoever is interested. Just drop your chat with us or send us email to theigbotutor@gmail.com. Just our channel name, no space, at gmail.com. We will respond to you ASAP. So whichever way you want it, we are here to serve you. No, that's how we say welcome in Igbo language. If you are watching a replay of this, do well to also drop your greetings in the comment section, make your opinion known in the comment section, and follow us through as we go on. So as those who are live are commenting and responding, you too respond the same way in the comment section. That way you also have a feeling of life as we move on together. So this is the Igbo Tutor right here live. So where are you? Members of the channel, I'm waiting for you to come to class right away. We agreed to come to class right on time. So we finish on time within the 1 hour mark. We can all go our separate ways and continue our activity for the day. So the earlier we join the class, the better for all of us. So I'm waiting for you to come to class, channel members. And if you are watching a replay in our homepage, you do well to have a little patience so we can welcome our channel members who paid for this class. They have to come to class before teaching will start. So you do well to exercise a little patience. Nwere obere ndidi. Ndidi is patient in Igbo language. Nwere ndidi, have patience. Okay? So we wait for the owners of this class. Those who are sponsoring this class, they have to be in class before we can teach. Otherwise, we'll be cheating them. Okay? So We hope in the next 1 or 2 minutes they will come on board, and we begin the class immediately. So you're welcome to class. This is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. Anyị na-eche ndị otu anyị. Kedu ebe ha nọ? Where are our people? Ka ebe ndị anyị nọ? Anyị na-eche unu o. We are waiting for you guys. So bịa na ọsịsọ ka anyị bido. So little more patient, please. Once we have 1 or 2 of them in class, we begin. We will not wait further. But we have to give honor to whom honor is due. Okay, so let's wait a bit and get them to come on board so that we can begin the class in full. Yes, family members, the Igbo family members, we're waiting for you to come on board. And let's do this together. Kedebe unu no, where are you? Kedebe unu no, where are you? If you are seeing me right now and you wish to be part of this class, do well to hit the join button and join our channel membership so you can gain access to this class right away. Do that now so that you can be part of this class before it begins in full. Yes, hit the join button now, do the needful, and become a channel member. As simple as ABC. Right? Still waiting for you to do that. Still waiting for you to do that. Yes, where are you? Members of this channel too, I'm waiting for you to come on board. Join the class right now so we can begin. There is no time to waste. Time waits for no one. We have a fixed time, a limited time, a scheduled time agreed when we ought to meet. So we should keep that. We should respect that so that no one is kept waiting and no time is wasted for no any reason. Right? It's my commitment to be with you at this time every Saturday. You also need to commit yourself to being available by the same time so that we can do what we need to do and face other activities of the day. Ana m eche unu o. I'm waiting for you people o. Ana m eche unu. Ọ dị mma. Ndewo Maazị Emeghe. Ọ dị mma. Thanks for coming to class. Okay, ụtụtụ ọma nwanne m nwoke. Ndewo Maazị Emeghe. Mere ọfụma. Okay, ndewo Maazị Emeghe. At least you are always punctual. A little bit late, but not too bad. You are always trying to come earlier. Appreciate that. At least with you, we can start the class while others will join us as we get along. Confirm you can hear me very clearly, Mazi Emehe, so that we can start. We don't want to wait too long because of those who may be watching the replay. We can't keep them waiting. All right, that's fine. That's confirmed in hearing me loud and clear. Ngwano, achọrọ m ka anyị bido. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Anyị ga-ebido? Should we start? Anyị ga-ebido? Maazị Emeghe, ị chọrọ ka anyị bido ugbu a? That's good. That's good. Of course, we can't keep you waiting. You are that is keeping to time. We can't keep you waiting while others who come at the time they wish, will be, delaying those who keep to our time. So it will be unfair to keep you waiting for those who are coming to class late. Those who come, people say, Anu buzo na mmiri ọma. That is Igbo proverb. Let me give you that proverb. It's part of our lesson. Anu buzo. Okay, at least you learn that one before other people will come. Anu buzo na mmiri ọma. This is Igbo proverb. Okay, anu buzo na mmiri ọma. What does this mean? It's a proverb in Igbo. Literally, it means the animal that comes first, okay, drinks clean water. This is the literal meaning. Okay, the animal that comes first drinks clean water. But what is interpretation? Interpretation means that those who are early, okay, will always, is that will? Yes, always get, have advantage, okay, have advantage over latecomers, which are others. Yeah, those who are early will always have advantage over others. Okay. Mazia Mehe, did you get my proverb and interpretation? Is that clear? If you know you are in the class, please drop your greetings. If you are in the class, I can see we are more than one, but I've not been able to get the other guy's name because he has not responded. He has not dropped a greeting. If you are in the class, drop your greeting so we can return our greetings to you. Maazia Mehe, did you understand the proverb and the interpretation? Anu buzo na mmiri. Did you get it? Please confirm it's clear. That is your first bonus for today. Confirm you got it right. Maazia Mehe. Yeah, great. That is your today's bonus. All right. Who else is in the class? Indicate you are here. Greet us. Drop your greeting for the Igbo family. Ndewonu, daalụ. How are you? Hi. Say it any way you can say it. So we can also return greetings to you. Yes, we are waiting for you to do that. The early bird get the worm. Okay, that is the other version of it. That's great. That's great. That's great. All right, let's continue from where we stopped. Last time we were talking about Nigeria has a problem. Nigeria nwere nsogbu. And we began to discuss about the issues in Nigeria, what is happening in Nigeria, nsogbu na Nigeria. And we got to a point, and we said the last sentence we made was that na ndị ọchịchị anyị nwere anya ukwu, our leaders are greedy. Okay? Okay, that's where we are continuing our discussion today. So first sentence for today is ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Okay? Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Okay? Let's see how much you can do that, Mr. Emehe. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. We are referring to our leaders in Nigeria, or rulers rather. I don't call them leaders, I call them rulers. They rule us by force, even against our will. So you vote and your vote does not count. They put whoever they want there. So ihe na-eme, oh my goodness. Princess, long time. Oh, I was wondering what is happening to you. I will send you a WhatsApp message. You are not responding. I think your job is taking a greater part of your time and energy now. Now, wow. Princess, keki mere. Ogini mere ahụ gị anya again. Ọ bụ ọrụ ka ogini? Nwada Princess. Eze nwa, ogini na-eme? Wetin dey happen? All right, at least it's good to see you today. Respond to me. Hope all is. I hope everything is fine with you. Okwa ihe niile dị mma. Is everything fine? Hope everything is fine. While you are responding to that, I've made my first sentence today. Ndewo. Okay. I've made my first sentence today. Okay. Dalo Adeze. Let me greet you specially. Okay. All right. I've made my first sentence today, and we're talking about leaders or rulers in Nigeria. And my first sentence concerning them is that ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. That is my first sentence. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Can somebody translate this in the chat into English? Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Okay, Emehe has come up with a translation. Okay, Ezenwa, what did you say to this? Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Yes, let me see what Ezenwa come up with. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Yes, let's go. Princess, what do you say to this? Ademma, busy with work. I know. Surely I know it's work. I know you are very busy. You're a busy woman. Gather enough dollars so and be bringing the dollar here. Don't just be working and be eating all the money. Okay? Remember your brother in Nigeria. All right. Okay. So, what do you say is then one of my sentence? Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Please help me translate this sentence to English. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Everyone, let's go. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Let me have your translation, Princess. Yes, let's go. Yes, so ana m eche gị, Princess. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. Referring to our leaders. She may be too busy to type. Okay, I guess as much. Okay, busy with work. Okay, I hope is it that you are busy now? Also, you are working right now, so that we know you just want to be listening to us. You can't type. If that is the case, you let us know, so we don't need to be waiting for you to supply your answers, Princess. Are you working right now? Are you busy working right now? So we know you are only listening to us. Okay, okay. Things are happening by Nigerian people. Okay, good effort. Let me type what I've said in Igbo. Ihe na-eme. So it's network that is delaying you. I guess as much. Ndị should have dot under the I. Ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. My E should have dot under the I. I don't know what happened to my keyboard here. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. This is exactly what I said. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria agbasaghị ha. What does this mean? Okay, it could be what is happening. Na-eme, present continuous. What is happening to Nigeria people as in the Nigeria people or Nigerians in a more professional language. Okay, does not concern them. They don't feel concerned. What is happening to Nigerian people does not concern them. They are not concerned. They are not worried. Okay, they are after their political correctness and political maneuvering and winning the next election. What is happening to Nigeria people does not concern them. Ihe na-eme ndị Nigeria is Nigerian people or Nigerians. Ndị America is Americans. Okay, I hope you are getting that right. So ihe na-eme, what is happening. Okay, or the thing that is happening. Ihe is a thing or what. Okay, na-eme, that is happening. Ndị Nigeria, Nigerian people or Nigerians, agbasaghị ha does not concern them. Okay, that is the sentence. I hope it is clear. We go to the next sentence. The next sentence is mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Translate abasa. I have already translated everything. Okay, I've translated everything. Basa is does not concern. If you say, I've made another sentence that have the same basara so that you can understand it better. I said now, mana o basara ani niile. So basara is concern or affect. Okay? I hope you get me, Emehe. So basara is concern or affect. So I've made another sentence that have the same thing now so that you have a better understanding. I said, mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Okay? So let's go with that now. That will give us another dimension to it, to that word basara or basai. The basai is the negative part of it. GHI, remember, is the negative part of side of the same word. But this now, the second sentence now is the pure word, but in the past tense. Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Let's go. What did I say? Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Yes, let's go. I've explained that word clearly enough. Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Yes. Second sentence. A follow-up to the first one, actually. Is a follow-up to the first one. Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Yes, let's go. Who is giving it a shoot? Give it a shot. But. Okay. Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. Good work, Clement. Good effort. Good effort, Clement. Okay. Princess, what do you say? Mazi Clement have done a good job. Princess, what is your own opinion on this? Mana ọ gbasara anyị niile. But it does not concern everybody. Okay. Clement is more correct in this one. I think Clement got it correct. But all of you got but, which is mana. You all got that. Or you all got that. It. That is or. Basara is concern or affects. So Clement is top notch on that. Okay. Concerns or affect. I've actually translated that personally, differently to make you understand that. Of course, Ezenwatu got concern, which is basara. But the way you put it is the negative part of it, where you say does not. What I actually say is basara, not basai. Okay? The first sentence is basai, basai, GHI. That's negative part of it, does not. But basara is the real word. I said it earlier. No GHI, so it is the positive word. Positive part of the word is that. But it concerns all of us. Anyị niile, or everyone. So anyị niile, all of you are correct with that. All of us, everyone. Okay, but all of us is more appropriate. Anyị niile. Anyị is we or us. Niile, all of us. So Clement is top notch on his interpretation, but it concerns all of us. That is exactly what I said. But let me write the Igbo version because of those who are writing. Mana ọ gbasara anyị. My anyị, the I have dot under. So let's take note of that. Anyị niile. Okay, Dr. Blah, you're welcome to class. No. So, no. Mazi Abdullahi. Okay. Abdullahi. I hope I got Abdullah. I think it's Abdullah. That is Abdullah. I don't. I think that is what your name is, Abdullah. I hope I got it right. Forgive me if I don't get it right. Mazi Abdullah. Okay. So mana obasara anyị niile. So Clement is top notch on his interpretation, which is bet. It concerns, okay, all of us. That is mana obasara anyị niile, but it concerns all of us. Adema. Let's go. Third sentence now. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. 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 What did I say? Let's go there. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. What did I say? Let's go there. Hit, translate. Let me see who hit the chart first. Who follows? Who comes third? Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Yes, let's go. Okay. All right, thank you, Dr. Abdullah. Okay. Let's go. I've made a sentence now, Doctor. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Let's translate that quickly. Let's go. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Gịnị ka m kwuru? What did I say? Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Let's go there. Who is hitting the chart first? Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Let's go there. Ngwa. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Write what I've said in Igbo, in English. Oh, dee ya n'asụsụ Bekee. Dee ya n'asụsụ Bekee. Write it in English. English language. Dee ya n'asụsụ Bekee. Na ebe a na-ede ihe. Ngwa, ọsịsọ o. Ka anyị mee ọsịsọ o. Who is writing first? Who is hitting the chart first? Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Princess is in first. Okay. Great effort, Princess. Great effort. Yes, I'm waiting for Dr. Blahi. I'm waiting for Mazi Emehe. Who else is in the class? Let me know if you're in the class. Drop a greetings. Ugbu onyeisi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Let's go there. If you want to join this live class and you are not yet a member of this channel, it will not be possible. Please hit the join button beside my channel name and join this membership before you can have access to our class, live class. There are other benefits that are accruing to you. Let me also announce that by next week, we're going to have our book for this month. I'm almost through with that. Next week, we're having our free book for this month. Thank you for believing in us and for keep supporting us still. Okay. Dr. Blahi, you are in. Clement, you are in. All right. What did you guys say? Okay, Clement, you are amending your sentence. Then delete the first one Let me not use it against you. Delete the first one. Ugbua, onye isi America chọrọ ịbịa Nigeria. Ngwa, delete the first one. If the second one is your choice, let me know which one you are using. Okay. Okay. Princess, you're also bringing a new one. Which one should I use? First